Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have Telegram X installed and storage permission granted. Now start the change. First, create or choose the target folder on internal or SD storage and confirm available space. Once done, close Telegram X to avoid file locks and make a quick backup of any media you don't want moved. You're doing this to control download location and save primary storage. Next, open the app and go directly into the settings to begin switching the path. Open Telegram X and navigate to Settings, then Data and Storage, and find Storage Path. Tap to change and choose the folder you prepared. If picking an SD card, use the built-in file picker to grant access. Make sure you select a dedicated Telegram folder so files aren't mixed. After confirming, the app will offer to move existing cache, except to consolidate everything. This step ensures future downloads land in the new location, and once the move finishes, test by downloading an image or voice note and verify it appears in the new folder. If the app shows errors or files still go to the old path, revoke storage permission for Telegram X and re-grant it to reset access. Then repeat the path selection. If problems persist, clear Telegram X cache or reinstall the app while preserving your account. Choose the desired storage when prompted. This sequence resolves most permission and indexing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.